Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're exploring the best system design courses on Coursera. The essentials to go from I can code it to I can architect it. The links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. System Design Fundamentals, Pearson. This course focuses on first principles that every scalable system relies on. Latency versus throughput, availability versus consistency, horizontal versus vertical scaling, and the trade-offs that appear the moment real traffic arrives. You'll work through core building blocks, load balancers, caches, CDNs, message queues, databases, SQL, NoSQL, replication, sharding, rate limiting, and monitoring, so you can reason about bottlenecks before they happen. Expect back-of-the-envelope estimations, request flows, and capacity planning exercises that make whiteboard interviews feel natural. What stands out is the applied format. You'll practice designing services like a URL shortener, newsfeed, or chat system, then critique the design against non-functional requirements such as fault tolerance, durability, and cost. By the end, you'll be able to sketch a clear architecture diagram, justify each component, and explain the failure modes and mitigations like a seasoned engineer. 2. AI-powered software and system design. Deep learning. AI, here you'll learn how to use modern AI, especially large language models, as accelerators for the design phase, not just for coding. The course shows how to draft and refine architecture docs with structured prompts, generate alternative designs that respect constraints, and pressure test choices. For example, consistency models or database schemas, using evaluation checklists. You'll explore patterns like retrieval-augmented generation for knowledge-heavy services, and how to embed AI safely via guardrails, telemetry, and human-in-the-loop review. Labs walk you through realistic scenarios, turning vague product requirements into a clear design brief, producing sequence diagrams and interface specs, creating test plans from user stories, and instrumenting experiments to compare designs on latency, quality, and cost. The takeaway isn't let the AI decide, but rather a disciplined workflow where AI speeds iteration while you stay accountable for the trade-offs. 3. Software Design and Architecture, University of Alberta. This specialization builds the craft of designing software that's understandable, evolvable, and robust. You'll revisit fundamentals, requirements, responsibilities, cohesion, coupling, and then work through design principles, solid, grasp, UML, and common architecture styles like layered, microservices, and event-driven. Refactoring and technical debt management gets serious attention, so you learn how to improve an existing system without breaking it. Assignments focus on communicating design, writing concise design docs, drawing class sequence diagrams, and justifying pattern choices, strategy, observer, factory, adapter, and more, against real constraints such as performance, testability, and deployment complexity. You'll finish with a portfolio of design artifacts that make your reasoning visible, gold for interviews and cross-team collaboration. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.